How to use coupon code for Audible. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can use coupon code for Audible. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to use your coupon code for Audible, it is actually quite simple to do so. So what you have to do is to first, if you go to your audible.com or audible.in, depending upon the region that you're in, you'll find various options over here. So you have to just go to your browser and type in redeem Audible promo code, and you'll find the first link from Audible that says redeem your promotional code. Just click on this option. Then once done, you can see redeem your promotional code. You can just enter your code here and click on the redeem button to redeem that promotional code if you're from India and that you have UPI. Another is if you're an international citizen, and you can see from audible.com redeem your ACX promotional code. So you can also select that instead and type in your ACX promotional code you have and click on the redeem button, and you'll be able to redeem it likewise. That way you can use the coupon code on Audible. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.